match the picture. Jet. Make a word with et. Et. To match the picture. Wet.
Wet. Wet. Wet. Wet.
Jet.
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 Jet. Pet.
Pet. Pet. Pet. Pet.
Net.
Net.
Net. Fabulous. You know jet, net, pet, wet.
Okay? Now, tell me about jet. Jet. What is it? Jet.
Pinky. Airplane.
Okay? This is an airplane. Okay? Aircraft. Okay?
And then
Say that. Jet
jet
is an
is an airplane.
airplane. Okay? Or aircraft. Okay? Aircraft. Right? Aircraft. So powered by jet engine. Okay? Engines. So airplane. Okay? Airplane. Do you like to take an airplane? Do you like to take an airplane? Yeah?
Yes.
Do you like it?
No.
No? Not yet? Okay? So airplane. So it flies on the ground, it flies in the air. Which one?
무섭겠다.
It flies in the air, in the air, right?
이거 한 번씩 날아다닌다.
So, where can you see it? Where can you see it? Where can you see it?
보고 아무도 본다.
Where can you see it? Tell me. Where can you see it? Can you see it in the playground?
No.
I can see it where? In the airport. Airport. Yeah, airport.
Airport.
Okay?
I can see the airport.
I can see this in the airport.
I
Same
can
time?
see this.
I can see this in the airport.
I can see it in the airport.
Good job, good job. Now, net.
Net.
Tell me about the net.
곤충 잡는 그 기구.
Okay? So, net is a kind of, okay? Kind of. Net is a kind of, okay? Cloth, okay? Cloth. You can see through, You can see through. Okay? Right? Okay? So when you want to catch a butterfly,
그물같은.
butterfly, then you can use it to catch, okay? This insect, okay? Insect, right? Okay? So understand? So when you want to catch, okay, insect, you can use this, right? Okay. So there are small equal spaces between them, right? Okay. So there are small equal, okay, equal spaces, okay, between them, right? This is made of, okay, very fine thread, okay, thread, right, woven together, right, okay. Okay, so you can say this one, right, this one, woven, right, woven, okay, okay. So now next one, pat. What is pat? What is pat?
모자?
Pet is an animal that you keep in, okay? Like a dog or cat, okay? It's a kind of animal, right? So pet
이거.
is a kind of okay, an animal, okay, you keep in home, right? Okay, such as a cat, okay, a cat and a dog, okay. Do you keep the dog at home? Do you keep a dog at home?
저희 집에서 키워봤는데.
No.
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 싶어도 엄마가 못
I don't keep a pet, okay,
싶어도
at
엄마가
home.
못 키우는데.
Okay, I want to keep, okay, them, but my mom doesn't like it, okay, doesn't like them, right? My mom doesn't like them, okay, good job. What about wet? What is wet? Tell me wet.
물?
Now wet is a kind of, okay, covered in water, you know. Wet is what? Wet is covered in water, okay? Understand? Covered,
Cover.
okay? So such as tears, you know, tears, sweat, okay? In the summertime, after you exercise, you sweat. Understand? Okay? When it rains a lot, when you don't have an umbrella, you will get wet, okay? You will get wet, okay? So if you stand in the rain without an umbrella, okay? Understand? You will get wet, okay? Understand? Umbrella, okay? Umbrella.
umbrella, 우산.
Okay, good job. Umbrella. So, okay?
비 올 때 우산이
Okay? You stand in the rain with an umbrella, you will get wet. Okay? Now we practice jab, nap, pat, wet. Now tell me the story. When you stand in the rain with the umbrella, so what happened to you?
run.
I will get wet. One more time. If you stand in the rain with an umbrella, what happened to you? You will get dry, you will get wet.
Wet.
Okay? So this is an airplane which flies in the sky. Which one? Tell me. Say it.
Jet.
Jet, okay? So when you want to catch an insect, okay, net. You like it, okay? Such as a dog and cat, but
My mom.
your mom, okay, is against it. What is it?
Pet.
Pet. Okay, good job.